Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about free online conversion tool. And in today's video, I will show you how to free convert your XPS file to PDF or for free without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser and make sure you come to this particular website right here. So once you get to this particular website, sysfunction.com, scroll down all the way down onto the last page of the web page right here. Continue to scroll down. So I'm getting to the bottom of the page right here. Go ahead and navigate to XPS to PDF. Click on that. And it's going to take you to this free tool right here. So you can upload your file. You can get the file from Dropbox. You can get the file from Google Drive or from your OneDrive. So the maximum file you can upload is 15 megabytes. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on upload file. And the next thing I'm going to do is to select my XPS file. Click on open. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on convert. Then your XPS file has been successfully converted to PDF. Go ahead and click on download. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on save. Successfully saved. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and go to my download folder right here. So I have it right here as PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter key on my keyboard just to open the file in PDF viewer with my Adobe Acrobat. It's that simple. You can see it right here. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.